How are we going to do this? So we have 3 times the log base 5 of n plus 16 is 25. So what are we going to do? How do we solve a log equation? Let's see. Well, right here, here's the notes. Here's the exam 4 notes here. I'll just write it in normal pen here. This is the exam 4 notes. What do you do? Well, the first step is you got to get the log alone. So do whatever it takes to get the log alone. In this case, I had to add 20 and divide by 2. And then do the switch thing. So get the log alone and do the switch thing. So let's do that. Step number 1. Get the log alone. So we're going to subtract 16 from both sides. And we get 3. Log base 5 of n is 9. And then divide by 3. The log base 5 of n is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, so we got the log alone. There we go. And then the step number 2 is you do what I call the swish. And you lose the log when you do that. So you just grab the base, go boom, boom. And at that point, you're losing the log. You're changing out of log language. That's how we change between exponential form and logarithmic form, right? As we do the swish thing. We circle the base and go boom, boom, like that. And that loses the log, changes us out of logarithmic language into exponent language. So n is 5 to the 3rd. If you hit that on your calculator, you'll get 125. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And so there we go, 125. We were able to solve for n. So how do you solve a log? You basically get the log alone, we did right here, and then you do the swish thing, which changes it from a log to an exponential, and then just 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. There we go.